So hello guys, welcome to another video. So in this video we are going to see how we're going to use DeepSeek and Midjourney to create some logo design. Yes guys, in this video I will use DeepSeek prompt to create some logo design with Midjourney. So guys, in this video we are going to see how we're going to create some AI logo design with DeepSeek. I'm going to need a motion logo for my new website motion template. Let's see how DeepSeek will create some logo prompt for us. So guys, for that I'm gonna paste it here. Like, I need a motion logo for my new website motion template. Now suggest me some logo design ideas in image. Okay, I'm gonna correct this, and like, I need a motion logo for my new website motion template. Now suggest me some logo design ideas for. So guys, I have just added a prompt like, I need a motion logo for my new website motion template. Now suggest me some logo design ideas for Midjourney. So suggest me 10 amazing prompt on motion type logo design for Midjourney. So guys, let's see how DeepSeek will answer to this prompt. So I just hit enter. So let's see. So you can add your own prompt. So let's see. Okay, it say okay, the user needs a motion logo for their website called motion template. Okay, so I asked her to give me some prompt. Okay, so at first it analyzed the whole prompt, then it says here are 10 creative Midjourney prompt ideas for a dynamic motion theme logo design. Okay, it says kinetic typography fusion, then geometric motion burst. Created me 10 prompt, and it also suggests some tips for Midjourney refinement. Okay, add keywords like ultra details, cinematic lighting, 4K. Okay, we are gonna use it. So guys, let's see one by one. So at first it says kinetic typography fusion. So I'm gonna copy this and just go to the Midjourney and just type here. Okay, I'm gonna go to the imaging and just hit paste, and it says a sleek 3D motion logo design motion template in fluid metallic letters with swirling motion trails, neon blue electrical holographic particles. So guys, all you have to do, just hit a comma and just go down, and here you can say it says tips for Midjourney refinement. So I'm gonna copy all of it, like ultra details, cinematic lighting, and 4K. So it's suggested like tips for Midjourney refinement, add keyword like ultra details, cinematic, 4K, or sharp vector lines. So I'm gonna copy whole of it. Okay, just go to the Midjourney and just paste here like ultra details, cinematic, 4K, and just okay, just sharp vector line. So guys, let's see how Midjourney will create a logo for us. So I'm gonna hit enter. It will take some time. So guys, our logo, oh my god, just look at the design. Guys, I just hit a prompt like a sleek 3D motion logo design, name motion template in fluid metallic letters with swirling motion trails, and I've just added something like a neon blue electric purple. So you can add your color adjustment. So guys, this is really cool. So if I go for the first design, so I'm gonna hit U1. So so it means upscale number 1. Okay, so here is the logo. So guys, just look at the logo. You can create amazing motion type logo design with Midjourney. So I'm gonna save all of the images. So just go there and one by one. So now I'm gonna need this one. So all you have to do this U2, like upscale the 2. Okay, so just hit it, and here is the logo. Guys, just look at the logo. It's really wonderful. So you can create your own adjustment with the color. So I'm gonna hit save. Let's see what more we can do. So guys, here is another prompt like geometric motion bar, like minimalist motion logo, abstract geometric shapes form. Okay, let's see how this logo will come to Midjourney. So all you have to go here and okay, I'm gonna add imaging. I'm gonna paste it. I'm gonna go again. Sharp vector, okay. I have just added a prompt from DeepSeek to Midjourney like minimalist motion logo abstract geometric shapes forming a vortex around bold motion template text gradient orange cyan sharp and blah blah blah. So guys, let's see how this prompt will create a awesome logo design for us. So I'm gonna hit enter. So let's see. Previous logo design is pretty cool. I like the logo design, but so guys, let's see. Oh my god, guys, just look at the design. So I have just added a logo that I need a minimalist logo abstract geometric shape, and it created the same type of logo that I had just added the prompt. Let's see. I'm gonna see like this one. So I'm gonna hit upscale one. So let's see. So guys, this is the output. Like I have just added a prompt like I need a minimalist logo design type. So Midjourney just created me this. So this is good, but I need something different. So I'm gonna go here and let's see how DeepSeek suggests me like liquid morphing logo, fluid motion logo, okay, particle flow concept, holograph motion curve, abstract. So I'm gonna go for this one. Let's see how this will work. I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna go to the Midjourney. I'm gonna go for the imaging. Just hit paste. So I have just added a prompt to Midjourney like fluid motion logo with liquid mercury texture, motion template letters morphing into wave, reflecting. Okay, I'm gonna add the keyword. DeepSeek suggests more things like hues, color palette like neon gradient, monochrome. You can add your own color palette. Also experiment the style mashups like cyberpunk meets minimalism. So all you have to need, I need just this keyword. So just copy it, come here and just add a comma and just paste. Okay, let's see how a fluid motion logo will appear from Midjourney. So let's hit enter. So guys, it created me a fluid motion logo design and just look at it. If you need a motion type of guys, you can go for this type of logo. So this is really great. This is water motion. Okay, let's see guys what more DeepSeek is recommending us like retro motion blur, futuristic motion logo. So I'm going to go for this one also. Get here and add a. So guys, if you like the video, just hit like and hit subscribe. We are gonna create some more and more tutorial about Midjourney, about DeepSeek, about ChatGPT. So just subscribe the channel. So guys, here we are. Midjourney just created me some retro futuristic motion logo. I have added the text like I needed text name motion template, but all of the time it says something different. But if you need some ideas from Midjourney, then you can use Midjourney to create some logo design. So guys, I like this logo design very much. I also like this one. So all you have to do, I'm gonna download this one. So all you have to do U3. So just click U3. So guys, here you can see you can download this image and you can create a vector design with it. So guys, this is really great. Midjourney creating some awesome logo design. If you want this type of logo design, just go to Midjourney and just added this prompt like retro futuristic motion logo in bold red and yellow typography with VHS glitch effect and CRT screen scanning, motion, blue sticks, 80, synthwave, sunset. So guys, this is really great. So let's see what more DeepSeek suggested, like cosmic energy swirl, like celestial motion logo, motion template surrounded by the swirling galaxy pattern. So guys, let's see how this will work like a cosmic energy motion logo. So guys, let's just come here and hit image. So guys, I have just added like I need a celestial motion logo by swirling galaxy pattern, star particles and purple and gold gradient, cosmic energy beams. Guys, let's see how Midjourney will answer to this prompt. Let's see, I'm gonna hit it. So it's creating our, like as you can see, is 32% complete and it's almost complete. Guys, just look at the motion logo. Like I needed a motion type logo Midjourney and it created something like this. So if you want to download the first one, so I'm gonna hit you on. So let's see. So guys, just look at the motion logo. So if you want to create some motion type of design, logo, anything, then use Midjourney. So now we are gonna use something different. So I'm gonna go for a website called Lexica.art. So guys, I always use Lexica art to get some prompt ideas. So suppose you need a business logo or you need a designing logos. So just go to Lexica. We are not downloading image from here. We are only get the prompt. So just go here and just say like, if you need a business logo, then business logo creative. So guys, as you can see, there are lots of logo design ideas. So we are not gonna download any of the images. We are gonna use the prompt. So if we go to this image, so here you can see there is a prompt like minimalist logo for digital agency with code snippet. So let's go somewhere else, like this one, like high resolution icon of a very simple, elegant, modern logo. So guys, let's copy the prompt here. So all we are gonna need the prompt. So I'm gonna hit copy, just go back to the Midjourney and I'm gonna hit the imaging and just paste it, like high resolution icon of a very simple, elegant and modern logo consulting company. So if you are a consulting company, you can create an awesome logo from Midjourney. So guys, let's see how Midjourney will create a high resolution modern logo for a consultancy company. So I'm gonna hit enter. So guys, if you need a elegant modern type logo for a consultancy company or a software developed company, so you can use Midjourney to create some awesome logo. So guys, just look at the image. And so guys, I'm gonna need this one. So I'm gonna go for the U3. So guys, as you can see, this is really great. This is really great. I could not create this type of logo if I hired any graphic design from Fiverr or Upwork. So this type of AI tool just creating awesome things. So you can get some prompt ideas from Lexica art. So I always use Lexica art to create some logo design or any type of design. So here are some more type of logo design, so we can get the prompt like this one. If you want a real estate type of logo, like business logo, minimalist design, plain background, the icon of the business logo, geometric shape, cool hues, so you can copy the prompt. Okay, so let's go here, imagine prompt like business logo, minimalist design, plain background, the icon of the business logo, geometric shapes, cool. So you can add more like real estate and colorful. Okay, so you can add your own. So I have just added a simple logo prompt like business logo, minimalist design, plain background, the icon of the business logo, geometric shapes, cool hues, real estate logo and color. I'm gonna hit enter. So let's see. You can create awesome type of logo design from Midjourney. So get Midjourney subscription to get some awesome ideas. Okay, so let's see how we're gonna create a simple business logo. So guys, just look at the result. So guys, this is the recent prompt result. Like I have added a prompt, business logo, minimalist design, plain background, the icon of the business logo, geometric shape. So guys, you can get ideas from here. You can download the image and you convert this image to a vector, and you can fill the vector to like PNG tree or free peak. So this is really great. So I am looking for a motion logo for my design, but I think I got my logo design. Guys, this is really great. So I'm gonna download this one. Awesome, just awesome. Midjourney is creating something else. Okay, so I'm gonna show you if you need some variation. Like suppose you are gonna need some more variation of this logo. Okay, so I'm gonna just click the V3, like create a variation of number 3. So I'm gonna hit V3. So let's see. So I need some variation of this logo. So let's see how Midjourney will create me some more variation of this logo. Okay. Oh my guys, just look at the result. I have just added a, I have just click here. I've just click here. Like I need more variation of number 3 logo, and it created me this. So this is wonderful, just wonderful. So I'm gonna need this one, I'm gonna need this one. Also looking great. So I'm gonna just hit 2, 3. So guys, this is really wonderful. Really wonderful. So guys, you can create some awesome logo. Just go to DeepSeek and just ask him like, I need a motion logo, like I need a business logo for my new channel or website. So suggest me some logo design for Midjourney. So you can also explain like, so just suggest me 10 amazing prompt on motion type logo design for Midjourney. So guys, as you can see, it created me like here are 10 creative Midjourney prompt ideas, dynamic motion theme. So you can get ideas from here also, and you can get ideas also from the Lexica art website. I always use Lexica art because Lexica art helps to get some awesome prompt. Okay, so use always the Lexica to get some awesome prompt. That's for today. You can use DeepSeek to get some awesome prompt, and you can use those prompts get some awesome logo. So guys, as you can see, I have just created this logo from Midjourney. So if you need some simple business logo, then you can go to Lexica art, get some ideas. Thank you guys.